Hi all, in this session we are going to discuss the purpose of lasso tool. Lasso tool is basically a selection tool which can be found right here in this tool panel. When we check the sub options, we can see the basic lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, and a third one, magnetic lasso tool. So using the basic lasso tool, we can create a free form segment of a selection area. For example, when we select the basic lasso tool, we can go for a free form selection like this, and we need to connect both the ends in order to complete a selection area. So like we mentioned in the earlier sessions, we can create a copy of this particular selection area using Ctrl plus Alt key and create a copy of that particular selection. We can place it anywhere in the same window or other files. So we are going to deselect the selection by Ctrl D, and we will see the property of polygonal lasso tool. So the polygonal lasso tool can be used for creating straight edged segments for the selection. For example, when we are making a selection, we can see these straight edged segments, and we need to connect both the ends in order to complete the selection. So the only difference is the first one was a free form, then the polygonal lasso tool is a straight edged segment creation. And when we go to the third one, the magnetic lasso tool, this is more like a magnet in the sense we can create a selection just by clicking and dragging, and it will act just like a magnetic strip, so the connection will automatically snap to the defined edges like this. Here also we need to connect it by joining both the ends. So basically lasso tool helps us for selection. We can have three types of selection. The first one is a free form selection. The second one creates straight edged segments, and the third one, which is the magnetic lasso tool, makes a magnetic snapping selection. So basically three of the lasso tools helps us to make selections in three different ways. So other properties like moving and copying the selection area is similar to the other selection tools. We can create copies by just clicking Ctrl plus Alt. The deselection can be made by using the Ctrl plus D command. So that's all regarding the basic properties of lasso tool. Thank you for watching.